Walk into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road. Across the road.
It's happening, it's happening, it's happening!
Lost in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Hi. All right. So today we're doing something a little different. I've been experiencing a lot of discomfort in my hip, especially while I'm sleeping. I'm worried that it's something to do with my workout and I'm doing something wrong because I can't really check my position when I'm working out on my own. So I have enlisted the help of Lovely. Hi. Can you tell them about yourself?
Okay. I went to physical therapy school, so I'm certified myofascial therapist technically. So I do manual myofascial releases, and I also use blading, but it's not sharp blades; it's stainless steel blades, and you'll see it
Yeah.
maybe later.
We'll film a little bit of the process for you guys. I am so happy. We've been friends for a while, but I had no idea that this is what she does. And then when I found out, I was so excited because this is something that I've been wanting to get done for a while, but majority of the people who do it here are guys. So I'm really uncomfortable, like having some strange man come over to my house. I'm gonna be in my sports bra. Sometimes they make you like just be in your underwear, and they're like working on you. It just feels it's too much. So it's really nice to have another girly here to help me do it.
And then a lot I have are hips, because I guess also it includes mga good our hormones, because when we have ganyan sa cycle,
Oh,
so there's part number atong ligaments they lax.
okay.
So they relax because of, I think, diba, there's other hormones. So like if there's a muscle imbalance, o sa atong hips mo move, so that's why there's a lot of hip issues also.
Wow. Like it hurts, but it feels so good.
Yeah. But you do yoga, diba?
Yeah,
Relax lang.
not as regularly as before. Good.
Working at home.
Oof. But I'm pretty sure I did something wrong.
Yeah. Well, I'll look at your video.
Sige.
Ito is slow mo.
All right, it's been a couple of days since I had my session with Lovely. The night itself, right afterwards, I do feel like the pain in my hip is a lot better than it was. But the night itself, it was a little uncomfortable because I had a lot of bruising from the blading that she was using. So that kind of hurt. But it's I know it sounds so weird, but it's like a good pain. Like that this is the type of pain that's gonna help. It's like getting a really good massage. So it really alleviated so much of my discomfort. I can still feel a little bit of it there, like kind of like a ghost of the pain that it used to be. So she says that we can do another session if it doesn't go away, just to make sure that it's completely healed. What I like about her is her philosophy is, I'm going to try to fix you so you won't need me anymore, which like I really appreciate, versus like, oh, this is going to have to be a regular thing and you're gonna have to keep coming to me, you know, for the rest of your life to maintain this like pain-free lifestyle. So I'd rather have her just fix me and be done with it. What I really appreciate about Lovely is that she really took her time and she kept asking me, is there anything else that was bothering me? Is there anything else that she could like take a look at while she was there? So I think she was here for almost 2.5 hours and really trying to like fix the pain in my hip. She looked at my wrist, which, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I've had a lot of problems with my wrist, my tennis elbow. She took a look at everything and she really took her time and listened to my concerns, which I super appreciate. And she also gave me a bunch of exercises that I could do to help alleviate the pain in my hip. So I am going to try to do those regularly up until the next time I can get to see her, and hopefully that will completely take care of any problems that I might be having. I also showed her a few videos of me working out, because I do take videos of myself while I'm working out, just because, like I said before, I don't have a coach or anyone watching over me. So I'm doing everything by following a video, and I don't know if my form is correct. So I like to look back at myself in videos so I can see what I'm doing wrong. So I was showing her the videos and she pointed out a lot of like, oh, your posture here is wrong. Your core should be tighter here. You should be more conscious when you're doing this particular position. So I really appreciated that. And it's really like, it's gotten me thinking that I really need to find a coach to kind of help with my alignment, to help with my posture when I'm doing my workouts, especially since the weights I'm lifting are getting heavier and heavier. So I am looking to find somebody to help me with that. But yeah, it's something that I'm gonna try to be more mindful about now, because it's no fun being injured, guys.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that.
Is that all veggies?
Yeah, it's a vegan taco. I don't want to use my hands, but I feel like if I cut into it, okay, fine. I'll just
Wala, did you vlog it na? Your food?
Yeah, I did. It's so good. It's actually really good.
Sorry?
It's really good.
Oh. Does it have a meat option? It's all veggies.
Just a vegetarian one.
This does look yummy. I feel like I need to...
Cứ thích bên em, cứ viết tiếp cho em bao nhiêu khúc ca về mình.
Okay, now your turn.
What did he say, Gab?
My sock has holes.
Mango.
My sock has holes.
Mahjong.
My sock has holes because I bite them.
A hole. What? What?
What do you think it is?
My sock has holes because I bite them.
My long
My sock.
a hole because I bit them.
That's pretty close.
My sock has holes because I bite them.
Okay, I'm gonna give him 30 seconds more to guess.
My sock has
My sock
holes. Has holes.
has holes. I can hear him.
Cause.
But
Sure, you can hear him. Don't talk so loud.
Cause I bite them. Cause I bite them.
as if
Cause I bite them.
You can do
What?
this, Gab. Keep guessing.
Cause I bite them.
I'll bite them.
You're out of time. Pause it, pause it, pause it. Okay, take it off. What do you think the sentence was?
My sock has holes because I bit them.
Oh, that's pretty close. see?
exactly.
Your feet
The TV has
Your feet
toes.
smell like
Butthole.
Don't shout.
You
Don't
are
shout.
You are.
the best.
Don't you're
You
shouting.
are the best. You are the best.
You are
You are the best?
brother.
Ooh.
He's
I
singing.
love
I
you.
love you.
You
You are the best.
brother.
My sentence
Brother.
sucks.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, you guys, you're so sweet.
Say it for sentence.
Now
What?
you got it. You got it. You
Oh.
got it.
Can you hear Aya? I think you could hear
No, I couldn't hear him.
Aya was screaming. Unfair.
Thing.
Why?
I'll play some shiny.
Guessing though.
Pen.
It's did.
It's a pen.
I gave it to you with the notebook.
I gave it to you.
With the notebook.
Don't show me not her.
You want a sentence?
Yeah, it's the same length as I just said.
We are starting now.
You're starting now.
Still weird, she can hear you. Can you hear what I'm saying now? I
No,
should
I'm-
shout so that she can shake
Is he starting? Oh.
The New Balance box is blue.
Man, you need to enunciate.
Okay, if I say it loud, you can hear man.
And then he keeps looking over here.
This is practice.
Let's practice.
It's practice.
The New Balance box is blue.
What?
Go.
The
The
TV has a crack on the edge.
The something has a crack on the edge.
The TV
The TV has a crack on the edge.
old people rule.
I don't know the words. I wonder what he's listening to. My toe
Minho
doesn't have
is life.
foot fungus.
Foot face.
All of my foot
I love my foot.
has foot fungus.
It's so long.
Liga my.
Okay, again.
My foot
My foot
doesn't have
doesn't have
foot fungus.
foot face.
Foot fungus.
Foot warts.
fungus.
Wait, no acting.
My foot doesn't have
Foot fungus. Fungus.
fingerprints.
Look at my
Footprints.
butt, look at my butt. Fungus.
What?
Wait,
What?
it's more
My
funny
foot
if
doesn't
we
have
Foot fungus.
It's more funny if
foot
we have
fox. What?
All of my foot
All of my feet
has foot fungus.
has foot fungus.
Yes!
All of my foot
My foot
My foot does
doesn't
not have foot fungus.
fungus. All of my feet
All of my feet
has foot fungus.
has foot fungus.
There! Wow! Your sentence
What
makes
a
no
weird
sense,
sentence.
Liam! We got it!